Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the board and files because Secure Boot only works with UEFI. First, update your ASUS TUF BIOS to the latest build. This fixes key enrollment bugs. Once done, confirm your Windows drive uses GPT and create a UEFI Windows USB. Make a backup of personal data. Finally, reboot into BIOS so you can switch off CSM/legacy and move to UEFI mode. That change is required before you enable Secure Boot for Valorant. You now make the BIOS changes that allow Secure Boot to function. In the Tuf BIOS, disable CSM or legacy support and set the boot mode to UEFI only. This ensures Windows boots with GPT. Next, open the Secure Boot menu, change mode to standard, and choose to install or restore default keys. That installs Microsoft keys required by Riot Vanguard. If prompted, enroll the platform key PK. After applying changes, save and reboot to let the firmware commit the new Secure Boot state. You finish by verifying Secure Boot and fixing remaining issues. Boot Windows and open system information to confirm Secure Boot says on. If it does, reinstall Riot Vanguard and Valorant, running installers as administrator so drivers sign correctly. If Windows fails to boot after changes, don't panic. Power off, reset BIOS to defaults, or use ASUS BIOS Flashback to restore a stable firmware version. If Secure Boot still blocks, make sure keys are present and UEFI boot is enabled before retrying. That usually solves the only way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.